Now we will discuss hydrogen and hydroxylamine. Hydrogen is a weaker base than ammonia and forms two series of salts. Basically, hydrogen is a fuming colorless liquid with an odor like that of ammonia. It has liquid range similar to that of water, around 2 to 114 degrees, indicating the presence of hydrogen bonding interaction. In the liquid phase, hydrogen adopts a Gaussian conformation around NN1, that is like hydrogen peroxide only. The structure is Gaussian, whatever you studied in this organic chemistry. Hydrogen is manufactured by Racic process. In exam, if the process is mentioned, only Racic process will be. If not, you can write any of the process, but better to know the Racic process, because in exam, the question comes by mentioning the Racic process. You can go to the question paper and find it. In which ammonia and sodium hypochlorite react in dilute aqueous solutions. The reactions proceed through number of steps, which is simplified here. First of all, ammonia reacts with sodium hypochlorite, chlorohydrin. Uh, then it's ammonia reacts with this to produce N2H4 and NH4Cl. There is a competing side reaction that is catalyzed by demetallization. That means hydrogen reacts with this to give you nitrogen gas and ammonium chloride. For to prevent this, gelatin is added. Sometimes this kind of question is also why gelatin added is. Gelatin is added to the reaction mixer to trap the D-metal ions by forming a complex. The dilute aqueous solution of hydrogen so produced is converted to concentrated solution of hydrogen hydrate with formula this by distillation. This product is often preferred commercially as it is cheaper than hydrogen and has wider liquid range. Hydrogen is produced by distillation of the hydrate in presence of a drying agent such as sodium hydroxide or potassium. It is base weaker than ammonia. NH4 reacts with water to give you NH2H5 plus. NH2H5 plus gives you water plus and so on. It reacts with acid to form two series of salt, N2H5X and N2H6X2. The major use of hydrogen and its methyl derivatives is as rocket. This question is also asked during exam. Hydrogen is also used as a foam blowing agent and as a treatment in boiler water to scavenge dissolved oxygen and prevent oxidation of ice. This is the reaction that occurs in this rocket fuel sometime during exam. This part is not required, hopefully, but this question is asked. If you do not get the reaction, you can write that this section. Hydroxylamine NH2OH is a colorless hygroscopic solid with low melting points, 32 degrees centigrade. It is usually available as one of the salt in aqueous solution. It is based on either ammonia and hydrogen. This is the reactions. Anhydrous hydroxylamine can be prepared by adding sodium butoxide to a solution of hydroxylamine hydrochloride in 1-butanol. The sodium chloride produced is filtered off and the hydroxylamine precipitated by the addition. This is the preparation hydroxylamine. The major commercial use of hydroxylamine is the synthesis of caprolactam. This is quite important. It is an intermediate in the manufacture of nylon. This hydroxyl. This reaction is important. Find this reaction is there in B also. You can go to that from that book also. Then phosphine. Arsine, even they are not required, but phosphine may be asked. Phosphine is highly poisonous, as well as other also highly poisonous. The commercial synthesis of phosphine uses the disproportionation of white phosphorus in basic solution. The reaction. And this arsenic part is not required. This can be replaced. Phosphine are poisonous gases that readily ignite in air, but much more stable than organic reactions. Biphenyl phosphine kind of thing are much more stable than phosphine. Where R is the alkyl of aryl groups are widely used as ligand in metal coordination chemistry. The organophosphine as well as organoarsine and all these things are soft ligand and therefore often incorporated into metal complex having central atoms in low oxidation state, because metal atom in low oxidation state are softer than that in higher oxidation state. The structure is as usual like ammonia. Pyramidal structure is there, but bond angle is a bit less than the ammonia because of this lower electronegativity of phosphorus. A large change in bond angle has been attributed to a decrease in the extent of sp3 hybridization from ammonia to SbH3, but is more likely to be due to steric effects. The pH bonding pairs of electrons will repel each other. This repulsion is greatest when the elemental element is small, as in ammonia, and hydrogen atom will be far away from each other. However, whenever we move down the group, what happens? This repulsive force decreases and consequently the bond angle decreases. Phosphine can be protonated by strong acids such as HI to form phosphonium ions, PH4 ions. Reaction, you go to different groups, collect some reactions. Now halides. All elements of these groups form trihalides. However, higher members, the member with larger size, are also able to form pentahalides. Nitrogen is not forming stable pentahalide because of its unavailability of d orbital participation. Except NH3, nitrogen trihalides have limited stability, and nitrogen triide is dangerously explosive. Nitrogen trifluoride is only exergonic binary hydrogen compounds of nitrogen. This is pyramidal and not very reactive. Unlike ammonia, it is not a Lewis bell because the strongly electronegative fluorine atom make the lone pair of electrons unavailable. The reactions. Nitrogen trichloride is highly endergonic, explosive yellow. It is prepared commercially by the electrolysis of an aqueous solution of ammonium chloride and was once used as an oxidizing base of fluor. The electronegativity of nitrogen and chlorine are almost similar, and hence NCl bond is almost nonpolar. Nitrogen tribromide is an explosive deep red oil. Nitrogen triide is highly explosive, but its explosive nature increases as we increase the size of the halogen. Nitrogen is more electronegative than both bromine and iodine, so NX bond is a bit polar than NCl bond. And formally, the oxidation number are -3 for nitrogen and +1 for halides of heavy elements. As per syllabus, only phosphorus is required. We will go to the phosphorus only. Phosphorus can form trihalides as well as pentahalides. The trihalide range forms gases and volatile liquids such as PF3 with boiling point -102 degrees centigrade. A common method of preparation is direct reaction of the element and halogen. For phosphorus, the trifluoride is prepared by metathesis of the trichloride and fluoride. Resulting is trifluoride. The trichlorides of Cl5 is useful in starting materials for the preparation of variety of alkyl, aryl, alkoxy, and amino derivatives because they are susceptible to photolysis and metathesis. Then put P here, the P. Phosphorus trifluoride is an interesting ligand because in some respects it is similar to that of the carbon monoxide. It is a weak sigma donor but a strong pi acceptor, and complexes of trifluorophosphane exist that are analogous to carbonyls, such as NiTF3 whole 4. This is analogous to NiCO4. The pi acceptor character is attributed to PF bonding antibonding, which has mainly P phosphorus p orbital character. The pentahalides vary from gases such as PF5 to solids such as PCl. The 5 coordinated gas phase molecules are trigonal bipyramidal. The geometry is already discussed in your third semester class. In contrast to PF5, others are highly viscous liquids, and that can be attributed to the linking of each of the species to fluorine atom beads. A related phenomenon occurs with PCl5, which is in solid state exists as PCl4 plus PCl6 minus. In this case, any contribution to the lattice enthalpy provides the driving force for the transfer of Cl minus ion from one of the PCl molecule to another. Another contributing factors may be more efficient packing of PCl4 and PCl6 units compared to the less efficient packing. The pentafluorides of phosphorus are strong Lewis acids. Of the pentachlorides, PCl5 is stable. The structure is already known to you. You can go through you can go through this chart and see, minimize it and see the different kinds of reaction that a PCl5 molecule can undergo. Phosphorus pentachloride is widely used in the laboratory and in industry as a starting material, and some of its characteristic reactions are shown in figure this. In other books they are available, you can collect from other books also. For example, reaction of PCl5 with Lewis acid, PCl4 plus source, and simple Lewis bases like F minus gives 6-coordinate complex such as PF6 minus. Compounds containing NH2 group lead to the formation of PN bond, and the intercalation of PCl5 with either water or T4O10 in the PO multiple bond. Oxohalides are not required as per syllabus, so we will avoid that. Now we elaborately discuss one of them. Now next section about the nitrogen 5 oxides.